that's nothing up. Hey guys, on our way to our airsoft field right now. Taco, my first video. Our airsoft field's pretty nice so far. We just started today, 9 o'clock in the morning. Got a whole bunch more to do. Let's see what we can show you.
Ooh, got a nice drift there.
Not really. I'm really low on battery.
Of course it is. Okay, well... Oh, hit the tree. Okay.
Show you what we got. Nothing much, just started. We've got a lot more work to do.
There's a trench.
Bunker.
Woo!
You know. Got basic failure of cover.
Base Alpha.
By the way, that's our fake company logo.
JLS. Lucky golf ball.
I can't forget that.
And clay pigeon. I don't want to run.
We got pallets. We haven't set them up yet for cover, but we'll keep you with an update. What the hell? Vitamin water.
Oh, God.
Then just zoom in over there.
No, I want to get up close. Up close is the best.
And then this is our other base. Got to get another big piece of wood up.
Yeah. Here's one. We need to put your logo on this one.
I know. Great cover.
There's two more.
Here's our other one.
Spider on my leg. And there's other one.
With our logo on it.
Yeah.
Show 'em our logo. Oh yeah. By the way, I painted everything you see. Taco here will keep you with an update.